If writing feels slow and frustrating or just not your thing, you are not alone. Most creators and freelancers spend hours writing captions, product descriptions, or emails, and still do not feel confident pressing publish. But here is the truth. In 2025, you do not need to write every word yourself. AI copywriting tools are faster, easier, and more helpful than ever, even if you are just getting started. Today I will show you the best beginner-friendly AI tools, both free and paid, so you can write smarter, not harder. Let's start with the free options. Tool number 1 is Copy.ai. Its free plan includes templates for social posts, emails, and basic web copy. It is great for beginners because the layout is clean and easy to use. Tool number 2 is Jasper AI. It offers a free trial and strong output, but it can feel complex for beginners. Still, if you learn how to prompt it well, it is very powerful. Tool number 3 is AI Creator Max. This tool was built for creators, freelancers, and marketers. You just choose what you want to write, enter a few words, and click Generate. It works for Instagram captions, product descriptions, cold emails, and more. You can go from blank screen to first draft in under 30 seconds. Now let's look at paid options. Jasper, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic all offer paid plans with more word limits and tone control. If you are writing every day or working with teams, paid plans may be worth it. But if you are starting out, free tools can take you far. So which AI tool is best for beginners? If you want simple, fast, and effective, I recommend AI Creator Max. It is designed to save time and reduce the stress of writing from scratch. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more time-saving AI tips each week. We cover tools, templates, and smart workflows to help you grow with less effort. And if you want to try AI Creator Max for free, go to aicreatormax.com. Test it out on your next caption, description, or email. No pressure. Just a faster way to write better and save hours every week.